welcome to Let's Talk Tech. Dot dot. Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech, kinda, sorta. We're not on.
Well, the TV's on. You're on.
Oh.
Okay.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Hey, there we are.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech. Fourth time? Okay,
Yeah.
welcome to Let's Talk Tech. I'm Thomas.
And I'm Alan. Okay,
What?
it's not working.
Aw.
I have a directed live feed.
No, the text is not working. The show is on right now. The text, your names, the graphics is not working. You're on right now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, so
yeah.
we're talking.
Yeah, there's no text.
There's no text. Okay.
Cool. Cool.
If you're wondering why we had a conversation with ourselves, it's the person behind our producer, Eric. He's pretty amazing. And he's figured out a problem we're having that's cool. But welcome to Let's Talk Tech anyway with no graphics. Bye. Welcome back. Oh my god, this is fun.
Raffle. Yeah, so what did we talk about, Tom?
Okay.
Wait. Our stuff's back. Our stuff's back.
Yeah, our things are there,
Cool.
Eric.
There's no text.
Yeah, there is.
It says our names on the screen.
It's showing up as text. Okay,
Okay, cool.
we're good. Welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
For
Finally.
the 1200th time.
I'm Thomas.
And I'm Alan.
And today we're going to be talking about... What are we going to...
What is Facebook connected to?
Why does people... I mean, yeah, of course. So, what is Facebook... Okay, do we have anything for them, or is it just...
No, we're just talking for 15 minutes.
You kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you. I couldn't find a video. I found one, but it was completely unrelated, and it was just random people, like a zombie movie of people on their cell phones with mobile on Facebook. Yeah. So anyway, topic is what is Facebook connected?
Please call in, because I'm not sitting here talking about this for 15 minutes.
As you may know, that Facebook is connected to everything.
It's connected to the hip bone. It's connected to the... that bone. Okay, yeah, I don't really know that song. But, so, what is Facebook connected to? I'm going to have to take a shot in the dark here. Blatantly. I have to say the internet.
Yeah, well, it's basically, that's my point. It's connected to just about...
It's on a server, and the server hosts...
Well, that's my point.
Facebook.
Is that you go anywhere to dig, or if you go to IMBD or...
So we're talking about
or whatever like
website
that.
hosting, or...
What you do is it says log in. Well, you go and you log in, and it says, well, you can create a username, or you can log in under your Facebook page.
Well,
And of course, everyone's going to say, well, I don't want to take the time creating a username. I'm going to log in under my Facebook page. This way it saves time, and I'm only sharing my personal information with them.
all right, Al.
Well, that's my point. Is that when you go and then you say accept or whatever, it allows them to not only post on your wall but read your information. So, again, all your information that you're posting, even if it's on private, they can see it and then they could sell it. So it's basically like a third-party application stealing your information.
Yeah.
Which is very common, by the way. Usually it's sold.
Signing in with your Facebook is probably like the worst idea I've ever heard in my life.
But
It's
everyone does it. I do it.
It's giving like your password for something else to someone else
Exactly.
that can be easily sold.
Yep.
So if there's an option to
So
sign
the-
in or sign
so-
with Facebook, sign in regularly.
Yeah. Take the time. Stop being... Yeah, no, it doesn't really make any sense. Stop being lazy
Yeah.
and create a sign-in.
Can we just go to the next topic? Maybe we'll have a better chance of getting 15 minutes out of it.
No. I like this topic because we're talking about nothing here. But it's crucial. It's a crucial part of life. And it's important to everyone that you create that you create an account, that you create an actual account and not log in through Facebook. Yeah. So this way you're not sharing all of your credit card information, your daily life, and all that other stuff. Even though it's set on private,
Stop moving your hand. Jeez.
your hands are cold.
Okay.
And even though you don't have to just create a profile. Yeah. That's all I'm trying to say.
Unless there is an exception to this entire rule, which I'm not sure why we're talking about. If you're on Facebook, don't create a new profile to sign into your Facebook. Sign into your Facebook.
No. My point is actually create the username for any.
No, I know. But you're also telling them to create usernames instead of signing into Facebook. So if they're on Facebook, they're going to create a new username instead of signing into their Facebook.
Oh, so maybe I'm not clear. I'll re-explain it. Create an actual username under the site you're logging in, not on another one on Facebook. Or they could do that. Just create a Facebook username that they never put anything on, and then just log in through there. If they did that, if you guys did that, then that'd be okay, because then they can't collect your personal information because you don't have the personal information on there.
Alan, why wouldn't you just make an account on the website?
You have a point there. Then you got to create another email account just to create a fake ID for face. Yeah, I know it'd be more. It's better just to create. Yeah.
Okay, I was like, where are you going with? Okay. I'm sorry for wasting your life with this pointless topic, but if you're really wondering what it is, I think we can just carry this on to like web hosting. Me and Al just bought our domain name, which is
Let's Talk Tech Show.
So not pumped because I'm gonna be coding it, but
yeah, all by himself. Yeah.
Why can't you just learn to code? No offense.
Because I'm not as genius as you.
No, just think about it, Al. Just think logically.
I did think logically. And sociologically. I don't know if that's a word. But
oh, and if you haven't seen Inception yet, please see it. It's insane. It's the best movie ever. I'm just saying because it just came out on DVD.
Advertising.
Yeah, I know, but it's just really good.
Okay. Yeah, that's our new thing. We just shout out advertising every time we say it because we're really not supposed to be advertising at all, doing any type of advertisement. But it makes our show a little bit funnier.
Okay, that's what I meant.
It makes our viewers enjoy just that much more.
Go see a general movie at a general movie theater in a general area.
Recommended you see a matinee.
Don't recommend.
I can recommend that.
No. At any time. Not listen to us.
No, I can recommend that they go see a matinee. I just cannot say what theater. Crap, I just said a theater.
Actually, A is a...
Oh, A is in general.
In general.
Ah, I see.
You got it. Okay, so
now that we're wasting your time, if a number would pop up, a number is popped up on the screen, 203-665-6310. If you would like to call that number, it will ring this phone. When this phone rings, we will answer it. If it is a prank call, we will try and prank you at the same time you are trying to prank us. See how this goes, or we will hang up on you. Yep.
Stop talking. Thank you. And if anyone wants to call in at all, please, Katie, call it. I'm kidding. But if anyone wants to call in.
Do you want Katie to call in or not?
Well, yeah, because it's a caller, you see. And you're wasting my time. What else are we talking about?
Well, we gotta go to commercial.
What's TOIP? I know.
Read the...
I know. Why are we talking about texting?
Because it's a valuable topic, because anyone who doesn't know about who really doesn't use the computer that much wouldn't know about that topic.
Google Voice? What does your desktop say about you?
Yep. Hey, if I had help with this stuff, this would be great. Anyway, we're going to go to a commercial. Because Thomas is bored by this subject.
We're going to go to a quick commercial. No, actually, I don't know how quick it will be. But we'll be back in a second. Thank you for watching. Please call in.
Okay, cool.
Yo, check out this chef, right? Right? That's so gay. That's really gay. Dude, look at those pants.
Please don't say that.
What?
Don't say that something is gay when you mean that something is dumb or stupid. It's insulting. It's like if I thought this pepper shaker was stupid and I said, man, and this pepper shaker is so 16-year-old boy with a cheesy mustache. Just saying. When you say that's so gay, do you realize what you say? Knock it off.
Welcome
Hello.
back
Welcome
to Let's Talk Tech. As again, I ask you to please call a number. And it will ring this phone.
203-265.
6310.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if it will ring this phone, we will pick it up, and then we will answer the call, and we will answer your tech question live on the air.
And I understand it's a Thursday and it's a little off, and that's why we
Yeah,
should
we
probably
didn't mention this. It's Thursday that we're recording this, so don't call in on Friday because it's not live. It's live now on Thursday, but not Friday.
And why is that?
Because Sue is doing a show tomorrow from 8.
Your eye is extremely red.
Yeah, it always is. From 8 o'clock to like 12 or something like that. So.
Gotcha.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, welcome back to Let's Talk Tech. I'm Thomas.
And I'm
He
Alan.
is Alan.
And your name is Steve.
And this
No,
is
their
Let's
name
Talk
is
Tech.
Steve.
Yeah.
Their name is Steve.
And your name is Billy Bob. You live in a 2-trailer apartment.
In Georgia.
Not Georgia. What's wrong with Georgia?
I don't know. I just picked Georgia.
We have to be really specific on the name. You know what I mean? Like Philip DeFranco, where he's all like, your name is John. It's your birthday. It's like, what?
That's the stuff you gotta talk to me about before the show, Tom.
Okay.
Anyway, we're talking about Google Voice.
Yes.
A lot of people know what Google Voice is. As some of the recent people that have come up and talked to me that watch my show I now realize that some of the people that watch our program don't actually own a computer or have ever used one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So showing that people are not watching our show for the knowledge, but for the entertainment.
Woo, go people. Okay. All right. They think this is entertaining.
Hey, you know something, Mr. Ives, she in high school, librarian. He don't
Yeah,
like to be
he's
called-
not even like your friend.
No. He came up to me today. He said, he was saying something about the computers are all slow, so the computers can be faster.
Yeah.
In the library now, they got rid of Windows search.
Yeah.
So he's saying that that's what was slowing it up, all the computers up. And I said, that's not what's slowing it up. I said, it's this thing. You have one T1 line throughout the entire school. How much, can...
Ow. What are you talking about? T1 line is fine.
Yeah.
You know how many one T1 runs easily 400, 500 computers at a decent speed. The problem
think-
is they're trying to access it from across the school. They're trying to access it at the server.
Yeah.
They should be trying to access it on the computers. They should bring more.
Never mind. We won't go into that. But
You know how they have you sign in, and you have all your drives like blocked and everything.
Yeah.
All their security is what's slowing it up because
Yeah.
they have it downloading from the server.
Exactly.
So they should probably just loosen up a bit, and the computer should speed so much faster.
Yeah. They just don't want people going on YouTube. But then I told
Slackers.
Mr. Ives was like, Billings, I've seen your show. You have no idea what you're talking about.
Lies.
And I'm just like, and I just thought,
you don't know what you're talking about.
No, I just ramble on. Check your phone.
Why?
Is it Kristen?
No. It's Kayla.
Oh, I don't know who Kayla is.
Okay. Text.
But anyway, so we haven't really talked about Google Voice since we said we were going to talk about Google Voice, but it's been wasting its time, so it's nice.
Okay, so Google Voice. Google Voice is a voice program
One phone number.
made by Google. And
We have a video for it.
we do?
Yes.
Did you put it on the...
Yes, I gave it to you to put on. He's got it.
Okay. Well, we have a video.
Over time, humans have continually come up with new ways to communicate. And while we've come pretty far, there are still some things that don't quite work the way they should. For instance, consider voicemail, which you can only listen to by calling one number on your phone. It is stuck in your voicemail system, and it deletes itself automatically after 2 weeks. Or, say you're trying to reach a friend with a mobile phone, work phone, and a home phone. Right now, you might call each number one by one, trying to find the person. And after you finally leave a voicemail, the guy has to call the right voicemail box to find your message. So we asked, what if telephony were reinvented today? The result? Google Voice. Google Voice gives you lots of cool calling features, no matter what kind of phone you have or which carrier you use. For instance, if someone calls your Google Voice number, you can have it ring all your phones, or none of your phones, depending on the time of day or the person calling. And if you let it go to voicemail, you can listen in before answering. Or just wait and read a transcript of the message. And maybe send a text message reply for free. And if you have an unwanted caller, it's easy to block them. The list of features goes on and keeps growing. Point being, in short, less annoyances and more awesomeness. For free. So give it a shot. Visit google.com/voice.
It's only like a two.
$30. Hey, what's up? Let's go.
Welcome back to Let's Talk Tech.
My name's Alan.
He's Alan.
Good to know.
I'm Thomas.
Your name, Billy Bob.
You are a millionaire.
From California.
What?
Yeah, I'm just randomly shooting off. Here.
Okay, all right.
We gotta figure
Don't-
this stuff out before the show.
Don't shoot off.
Anyway,
Okay.
so that was our video on Google Voice. If you understood that video at all,
Yeah.
basically all it is one number. I have a Google Voice number. What it is,
It's
I can't,
pretty cool, I'm not
I
gonna
can't
lie.
remember
I'm
what it
not-
is, but
actually,
it's
I'm kidding,
on
it's
our.
not cool.
No, it's on our website, but that one's the one for Let's Talk Tech, which I canceled. So
Why don't we just add it to our new site?
yeah, we should. So
Wait, does that mean I have to code it?
no.
Okay.
Google does all that for me. So all it is one number. So basically, you put in your area code, A6, what are we?
203.
No. 06492. I knew it was an 06 number, 06492.
Okay.
Dude, I have to remember so many numbers. Anyway, so 06492, put in
You
the
didn't
area
know our area code?
Tom, I have to remember a lot of numbers.
Yeah. Well, okay.
Zip code, area code's the same thing.
Yeah, he's right. I meant zip code. You okay? Yeah. If you need a moment, it's okay. Oh, and sorry, Kayla
I need
was,
the
she
I need
dialed
the
the wrong
barking
number, I don't
dogs.
know.
I need the barking dogs. They calm me.
It calms you.
It calms me that they're barking.
The soothing noise of
And the fact that I cannot hear them barking breaks my heart.
it looks broken.
Yeah. Anyway, so it's one number. So you put in your zip code, and it will say, okay, well, you are in Wallingford, Connecticut.
And
Your
basi-
area code is
It can
203.
It can actually do some really cool stuff.
It can, which is what I'm going to get into.
Stop with the hand gestures. They're not cool. They just make you look really stupid. Especially when there's like a table here, you're just doing this.
That's why I usually do my hand gestures under the table. So
Then do your hand gestures on the... Sounds dirty. Do your hand gestures on the table.
anyway, so it's one number, and somebody calls that one number and says, okay, well, you can set it up to call your cell phone, your cell phone, your cell phone, and your home phone. Yes, people have more than one cell phone. So you can have it call your work cell phone, your home cell phone, and your home number. And you can have it set up to call your Google Talk, which is basically just your Google Messenger. So you don't have to give out your real phone number.
Which is quite
It's
convenient.
Quite convenient. Very quite convenient. Super quite convenient. And the even more convenient thing is you could block people without spending money. Well, usually I have to pay money to block people. But
yeah, I know, I
With
know.
this, you could just say
What
block.
is that feature that you had it like... you had it called to an invoice of Google instead of calling your cell phone?
Oh, that's just automatic. Well, no, I did.
can
I
check
set
your-
I set it up so this way. What happens is when it calls me, instead of going to my, because I have it calling multiple numbers, instead of going to my Verizon inbox,
It goes to
to
the Google inbox, and you
And
can
what
check it on the
happens is
computer.
I have an application on my web browser called OneNumber, which has Google Reader and all that other stuff that lets you know if you have something. And what happens is whenever, okay, cool, we got a caller.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Hey,
Hey,
how are you guys?
I'm pretty good. How are you?
Good. How do I make an email?
You go to yahoo.com, you go to sign up, and then you type in your information.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problemo. Email.
You told him to go to Yahoo?
Yahoo is a lot better than Google. No
Tom,
offense.
Google has so many.
Yahoo has a spam filter like you wouldn't believe, mister.
So does Google.
I'm just saying.
It's terrible.
No.
Anyway.
Well, okay. First question: go to a email provider or use POP3 and sign up.
Which Google does.
Yeah.
POP3. IMAP.
That's not POP3.
No, but IMAP is push notifications.
Not POP3.
POP3 is not as good as IMAP because IMAP.
I know.
There's push notifications, so
I
this
know.
way
I
you
know.
can
But
send
it's
it.
not POP3. Don't give them wrong information.
Okay. But no,
Okay.
it's both. It's both.
No, it doesn't run POP3.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
I read the thing. Tom.
Don't lie.
Okay, whatever. It has both.
Okay.
So yeah, so your Google Voice number is one number. You call that number. It calls your cell phone, your home phone. It rings all your phones, and whichever one you pick up at one, it doesn't ring them all at the same time. I don't believe. I think it only rings them one at a time because that would be annoying.
Yeah. But it's not that bad. I do like Google Voice. I've never set it up with my phone, but I've seen what it can do for his, and it's not a necessary feature. Like, it's kind of just an add-on to what you can do with your phone, and it's a pretty cool feature if you like screwing with your phone. But if you're unlike us and you don't really need to check your
Yeah,
voicemail
the
on
fir-
the computer
yeah.
and all that, I mean, it's just,
Well, that's the thing.
It's not
I'm
con-
basically always on.
it's not as convenient because what about checking your voicemail if it's on your phone? You can just
Well, that's the thing. You can also
call
have
it.
it send you a text message because it doesn't send to my inbox, my voicemail on my phone. It sends me a text message every time and decodes the text that.
hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
So what if you only have one number and you don't want to give your number? Can we still use that Google?
Yeah. What Google's doing is giving you its own individual number.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's like a private number?
So it's basically it's a private number, and what will happen is that you can give someone that phone number instead of giving out your cell phone or home phone number.
Awesome. So you don't have to have more than one number?
No, you don't.
No.
You can, but you have to have at least one number.
If you do have one, then it's okay.
It can still be a private number. It's not a listed number, the Google number?
No, that doesn't matter at all.
No.
Wow. Cool. Thank you, guys.
Yep.
Thank you for the call.
All right. Take care.
Bye, you too.
That's probably our first legit call in
I
like
know. I just
many moons.
It makes many moons. It makes me all warm inside. The fuzzy feeling knowing I'm helping. I'm glad I could help you though. Thank you. Keep calling in. Actual callers.
So this Google Voice, if you're looking for easy access to block people, and like I said before, it'll send me a text message if somebody sends me a voicemail, and it decodes it.
it'll send it from speech to
Speech to text. It's not that great, believe me.
So like if you've ever used the YouTube speech to text, it kind of fails. Like it says like, "Hello, how are you?" and it'll come out to like, "I'm walking on the beach."
Yeah,
So you'll be like reading your text message from your boss, and it'll say, "Come to work," and it'll be like,
I've
"Come
gotten
to."
I've gotten messed up
Speech.
with
So
I've
it's
gotten
like,
I've
what?
gotten some of the stuff messed up that so I stopped using the texting feature. 'Cause
But
I was
everything
like, I
else
don't-
works fine. Just the text to speech is a little. they definitely have to work on that. But then again, it's a hard feature to code. I mean, you can't just like.
Oh, yeah, it's hard. Voice to speech.
Especially
or,
with your
speech to text
voice
is very
communication is
hard.
becoming more popular, but it's people have different voices, people have different tones. It's very hard to
Tom,
have voice recognition.
voice recognition on the Android is awesome. I don't know why it's not awesome on the.
Probably the speaker quality is a lot better.
Probably that too. But I don't know. That's Google.
I don't know. You can't say I don't know. It's all,
I don't know what to say about
you
this
just
product.
don't sound professional.
If you're
if you say, "I don't
looking,
know."
if you're looking for more
If you're looking for
more pleasure,
more advancement, more need, more drive, get Google Voice. It is the thing that you need to. Nah, it's not actually a necessity, but it's definitely a cool feature to play around with, and I recommend it.
if you're
It's a great
looking for
feature.
more pleasure in your phone, get
Ah,
Google Voice.
Stop. Bad references. Okay, so besides L's, bad references.
Hey, I was told by Tom and Kurt that we have to start off the show with the dirty joke from now on.
That's what she said. Okay, there's our dirty joke.
Yeah, we're talking about texting next.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, we are gonna go to a commercial.
No, we can't go to commercial yet.
Why?
Because we have to drag this on for like forever. Because we still have like. There we go.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Hey, thanks for taking a call. You guys work with Craigslist at all?
A lot, yes.
All right. I get, when I go to my account, I get an active post. But then when I go to do a search, my item doesn't come up.
It takes 15 minutes to a half an hour for any post that you post up there to be activated.
All right, if it goes a couple of days, and I even wrote the ad differently. I'm trying to sell some equipment, some construction equipment.
Yeah.
And for some reason, I might be getting what you called ghosted. Any comments? Why my account shows that I have active posts, but
Is it saying it? What color is it highlighted when you look at it?
Okay.
green?
It's green.
Yeah.
It means it should. That means it should be up. It should
How
be
long
up
has
on
the post been taking to post?
December 8th, December 7th, and they're still not posted.
Okay. Well, as for
Am I doing
ghosting,
something wrong? Are the ads too long? Or
No, it wouldn't be. It,
it
wouldn't
would
be that.
it would give you an error message for that. As for ghosting, that is very very uncommon unless someone was very driven to not let you post on Craigslist. They have to be physically at a computer blocking IP traffic. So.
Well, no. What he means is basically, are they reporting him as spam? So is Craigslist blocking him?
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
That's what he's referring to.
How do I get around that? I mean,
There's no way to really get around that without.
change the wording on how you say it. They're
Yeah,
thinking
that's
you're
the
saying
next thing.
Spam.
That's the next thing. Is that if you post a posting with the same name twice, Craigslist looks at it as a similar post, and they don't post the second one. So I would recommend you delete the two that's in your inbox, or that's in your.
That's currently pending, and create a new one.
Yep.
thanks for the help.
Yep. And this time word it a bit different. Don't try to stay away from things that seem scammy.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Yep. No problem. Okay.
Dude, this is our second
I know.
legit call in many moons. Dude, no. This is many moons, because usually we don't have two legit calls in a row.
This is crazy.
This is
Thank you
crazy.
so much for the calls. I enjoyed inside to see that people actually
And
care
again, Katie, if you
enough.
want to call in live, you can. Yeah.
You're so creep. Okay.
No, because now I pushed her off the show, and then you're like, well, yeah, Katie hates you. And then I'm just like, well, you know something? Then I'll be a little bit nicer.
Katie is a nice person. You should respect her feelings. And she's in your gym class, so
Yeah, I know she's in my gym class.
I figured you knew. I'm not.
It's only been like, how long? 4 months that we've been in school? Yeah.
So I'm
I think I figured it out.
I figured you knew.
Yeah. Whoa, shocking. Anyway, so yeah. Do you think we could go for? Oh, cool.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Thank you, Alan, for saying that, you want me to call now.
You're welcome, Katie.
I won't call and harass you guys. I just wanted to
No. We need you to waste time.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, ask us a question.
Okay. Well, the new Facebook, how they changed it, they updated it.
Oh, the new. Did you get the new update?
I have.
Oh, okay. Well, a lot of people. Okay, cool. Have you heard any of the comments on Facebook yet about it?
Well, so far everybody's like, oh, I don't like it. It's way different from before. But That's what they said last time when they updated it.
That's what
and
they
I
say
really
every
like it
time.
now.
Yeah, it's
They
just
say that every time, Katie.
people don't like changing.
People don't like change. I kind of agree on the whole disliking thing, though, because it is a little bit harder to find. But I
What
think
was the update?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it a chance.
Okay, be optimistic, Katie.
Yes.
Hope for the best. Okay, thank you for the call.
All right, see ya.
Yep, bye.
So yeah, why don't we talk about that? Waste time on the Facebook. Yeah.
I agree. Actually,
Okay.
I don't even know the update, so shoot.
Yeah, I'll talk.
Explain
to
it. And
Okay,
then
let's
I'll-
go to commercial, and then we'll come back.
All right. Well, 1 second commercial. We'll be right back. Thank you for calling in. Bye.
So it's basically just okay. Welcome back to Let's Talk Tech. I'm Alan.
He's
and
Alan.
He's Thomas.
I'm Thomas, and this is Let's Talk Tech.
Yeah.
And you're watching TV. Yes, you. I know you are.
You, Billy Bob.
Their name is not Billy Bob. They have different names, though.
From Billy Bob.
Don't be stereotypical.
From Georgia, California, Idaho.
Georgia, California is not a place, though. There's no...
Georgia, California, or Idaho. One of the places.
Okay, be more specific. Okay, thank you for
So, yeah.
watching.
So, basically, as...
Please call in 203-265-6310.
6310. We need time to waste. Yeah. More
okay,
questions.
so
More questions. We need questions.
25 minutes talking about Facebook. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready.
We're not talking about Facebook for 25 minutes.
What?
We're not talking about Facebook.
What are we talking about for 20
We're going to talk about that. Yes!
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Hi, it's me again. Your first call.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so talking about the Facebook, is there any way that we can just not take the updates? We can just stick to the old version? Is that an option?
Do you currently have the old version or the new version?
Actually, I don't even know what version I have now. I don't really care.
Unless you went onto the upgrade page.
Uh-huh. You have the old version.
Yeah, so you probably still have the old version.
Okay.
If you have the old version, then you don't have to change it because you have to physically change it to get the update.
Okay, so yeah, so I got the old version.
So you still got the old version. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, I know. A lot of people have asked about this.
Yeah. I just thought it automatically updated updates, and unless you don't like it, then you can change back. I thought you have an option.
There's usually always a way to change back. I'm not aware of that because I haven't really looked into changing it back. I'm still experimenting with the new version. Tom, don't you have the new version?
Me?
Yeah, I thought
Actually,
you.
what's the updated version?
No, they select what I typed.
Yeah, the updated version is more friend information oriented, and it gives more of a you don't have Tom. It gives more of an update between information of the users, and more the information pops out at you more rather than having to go and find it.
Okay.
It's more user friendly with some things, but on other things, it just makes things
It
really
gets
annoying.
complicated
Yeah.
to me, so I don't even deal with it. Okay, another question about Facebook.
Cool.
So what about if, you know how if you share pictures, like if somebody tags you in a picture and they defriend you, you're no longer their friend?
Yep.
Yeah.
You can't have those pictures. Why is that?
Because they've been uploaded through their profile. So the person that unfriended you, the pictures are on their portion of Facebook's server.
Okay.
So, and you can't have those pictures because
It's
you're
their
no longer
uploads.
their friend, so you cannot access their
So
information.
even if you're tagged in them?
Even if you're tagged.
Even if it's partially your picture, you're in it. When they defriend you, it's on their portion. If they have their settings where you can't see the photo, then
That is the downside, and if
Yeah, it sucks.
if you, I guess there has to be some sort of suggestion thing for Facebook or something.
you can spam. You can flag the photo if you're in it, and could mark as spam. But that's a lucky.
No, they just want the photo for themselves.
Well, I don't mind sharing it with them. It's just that if you're defriended, you no longer see the picture.
Yeah, she wants the picture as well. So basically, I
Ask the
don't
other
know.
person if they would change their privacy
You can
settings.
message them, ask them if they could send you the photo, and then you can upload it. But I would recommend if you can find some sort of contact for Facebook or something, and say something like, well, if somebody tags me, that picture should automatically just go onto my quadrant of the server.
No, that's not possible. It uploads your. I think the best thing to do is, if you really want that photo that bad, find someone who's her friend and just ask them to take it off and give it to you.
Okay.
Or his or her, whatever.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's interesting. Okay, guys. Well, congrats on the show. I really like it.
Thanks.
My first time, and it's truly interesting. So
Thanks.
keep going on it.
Thank you for the calls.
Okay, bye.
Yep, you too. Bye.
Man, calls are wasting our time, and I love it.
Okay, alright. Yeah, okay, that's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Fridays are terrible anyway.
Yeah, so I guess we're gonna change the show to Thursdays from now on.
Probably.
Most likely.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what was that? Facebook update. So I basically covered the Facebook update with her. All it is, it gives you more general information. So if
You mean less general?
more general.
No, more just pop-ups.
Oh, okay. Well,
Harder to find stuff.
so basically, it hasn't really changed the main layout of when you go into the main Facebook page, but more of the friend layout. So let's say I go into Tom's profile, and to find the information out, you have to go into info, and it would say, okay, Tom's from Shein. Oh yeah, well he also works. He's unemployed.
There we go. Yeah, I'm kidding.
And
It
his
sucks.
interests are this, and that. So now what it does is it shows all that stuff at the top, which I really don't like. So now when I go on your thing, at the very top, when I just go into your profile,
It shows everything.
it
at the
shows
top.
at the very top, it'll say, Tom goes to Shein. Tom lives in Wallingford. This is Tom's phone number.
It's creepy.
It is creepy. So it actually helps out creepers in a creepy way.
Helps creepers creeping.
Hey, it makes their job easier. It does. I'm not going to lie.
Thank you for not lying. If we have another caller, 203-265-6310. I mean, it's been great. Even if it's a prank call, I don't really care now. I mean, we're just trying to waste time. But
Wait,
these
I don't think we
legit
had a
calls-
prank call yet.
One.
One?
The email prank call.
No,
No one
yeah.
could be physically asking how to make an email.
Hey. I
No,
realize.
but it even sounded like it was.
Oh wait, we got a caller. Cool.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Change your goddamn show to Thursday.
I knew it was Eric.
Eric.
Right when he, yeah, I knew it was Eric. Right when he.
Change your show to Thursday.
Okay, we will. Thanks for the call.
I knew it was Eric. Right when he called.
Thank
like,
you, Al, for
Yeah.
pointing out and
Yeah.
using your hand gestures.
Yeah.
By the way, that was our producer, Eric. We're not going to count that as a prank call because technically he was stating something. Move our show to Thursday, which we're planning to do anyway. Thank you,
Yeah. So
Eric.
what we've realized by this experiment, and by other people have said this as well. Chip said this. That like Fridays, a lot of people are out. Sorry. So a lot of people are out and about doing all kinds of partying and stuff like that. So nobody's gonna watch our lame show. But they'd be so much rather to watch
The thing I
a
liked about-
humorous show with people.
The thing I liked about Fridays was homework. I could get it done on a Sunday. I wouldn't have to cram it in after the show or before the
Yeah.
show.
Well, you wanted to move to Friday for that reason, yeah.
Yeah, but I think Thursdays are nicer because now I kind of want to go out with friends on Fridays.
Yeah.
I don't. Who does stuff on Thursdays or Wednesdays?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I guess we'll move it to.
Unless you're Kesha, then you wake up every morning feeling like Peter.
Welcome, Let's
Hello,
Talk
welcome,
Tech.
Let's Talk Tech. Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech. ...
But-
Don't. Wait. It brings shame to my heart. I don't really care, actually. Thank you for wasting your time calling. If you actually have a legit question, 203-265.
6-3, but
Yep.
the number's on the screen, so.
Yeah, just on the screen.
Oh, so just a reminder that people, today's Thursday. So you don't want to call in on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, sometimes on Friday, but you don't want to call in because we're not, even though we're saying we're live,
Okay, yeah.
we're not
so
live.
our show, let me give you the rundown, the secret 40, whatever numbers, K, okay? That's actually a 401k, that's a, yeah, okay.
Anyway.
We tape our shows, even when they're live, we tape them and then replay them. So if we're saying we're live right now and it's Sunday and we're not usually on Sundays, chances are that we're not on.
We're not on.
It's
So
just a
what
rerun.
happens is I'm downstairs working, and the fax machine, which is connected to the same phone system this is, with just a splitter in it, all it is, it goes and starts ringing constantly, and I'm not going to answer it because I'm downstairs working. So, yeah, that's how it's going to work. So we only answer calls when we're actually going live. So today is Thursday, some date. So only call when we're live.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Hey,
we should really just put the
I
date
have
on
a
the
question
screen.
about Google Talk.
What?
Can you block? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you need water?
No.
Okay. Can you block restricted numbers?
No.
That's kind of a bummer. And the only way how is to call your service provider and ask them to block the number?
Even if you called, no, you can't, because
They have the number.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No, they do. Really?
Al, if you put in you think if a terrorist was calling from anywhere terrorists live, they called in and said, blah, 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 and it's a restricted number that they're completely safe and untraceable. There's some way of getting that number, and that's through the service provider. But can you call in and ask for them to block the number
I
that you're
don't
calling?
think so, because I'm pretty sure the number is blocked through the service provider which they're going through. So if they're with AT&T, someone else is with Comcast. I don't know if Comcast is phone.
Are you sure you don't need water?
No.
It's just, I'm sorry for commenting on your coughing.
Yeah.
I know you can't help it, but it's just annoying if we're on a show.
I can't.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. So I would think it would go through. It would hit AT&T, and then as soon as it went off to AT&T, because it's a
Okay,
registered
no.
number
Let me
all the way up to the AT&T, and then it stops, and then it's restricted rate at AT&T, and then it goes to Comcast.
AT&T restricts the numbers. Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
hook up my Xbox to Xbox Live?
Wait, Kevin?
No.
No.
Who is this?
Mike.
Mike. Oh, Mike. I don't know. You sound like a friend of mine. Okay, so how do you hook up your Xbox to Xbox Live? You go, you create a profile, and then you connect it to Xbox Live.
Yeah,
there's
creating a
setting.
profile and then it'll automatically ask you. It should automatically ask you to
And then you sign
up for Google for Xbox Live.
And then you have to put in Microsoft points or like a card that for Live, and then you have Live for the year, and then you can just join a game.
No, I mean, I have the cord.
Yeah.
One that goes from the back of the Xbox to the USB port and the modem.
Yeah, that's
Ethernet.
that's more recommended than the wireless one.
Okay, Al, but he's asking, you plug it into both. You just plug it in.
Plug the network wire
plug-
into your hub or modem or whatever.
Plug
you're using.
one end into that little jack on the back of your Xbox, and then run the other side to your router or your modem, anywhere where there's the same kind of jack, an Ethernet jack.
Don't plug it into a phone line.
It won't fit anyway.
Yeah, you're right.
And I have to ask the guy in the Hershey shirt a question.
Sure.
Actually, I have an opinion.
Shoot.
Cool. I'm waiting.
You should get a lozenge.
I agree. We should give him a throat lozenge. Lozenge. Yeah. We should.
What?
Thank you for the idea. We will buy him those as soon as we leave.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Peace.
Suggestion.
I like him. Legit call. Oh my God, freeze.
Raffle.
I love this. Okay, so,
Music to your ears.
we were talking about. Hello,
Phone
welcome.
calls.
Let's talk tech. Hello, welcome. Let's talk tech. Okay, what were we talking about?
Well, we were talking about Facebook, then we just started shooting off.
Stop saying that.
And
word.
now Eric's he's gonna momentarily go over the moon there. There he is.
Hello, welcome. Let's talk tech. Hello.
You know, it's obvious that you're on the other line because we kind of can hear you.
We can hear the echo. Way to go, bro.
What a fail.
I hit the button. Okay. We were talking about something. Oh, AT&T. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure what happens is it.
No, I didn't pick it up.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
I was wondering if Google was better than Bing.
If Google's better than Bing search,
That would be an opinion, but in my opinion, it is. Google has a lot more features. It looks for a lot more key features, where Bing is just Bing, made by Microsoft. It's crap.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
we do look at it this way. We just hate Microsoft products in general. And a lot of people look at, something I find it interesting that so many people look down at me for hating Microsoft, but I look down at so many other people for loving Microsoft.
I don't like Microsoft. I think it's crap. The
I
stuff
think
the
so
stuff
many
they put
people-
out. I mean, they do put out okay software, but like.
Welcome, Let's Talk Tech.
I like Bing.
Fine, be like that. No, I'm kidding. You can like Bing. It's okay.
We really don't care.
Yeah,
I mean,
it's
if
up
you
to
want to
you.
if you want to go to the dark side, that's fine.
Ha ha ha. I'm sorry.
I don't know. I just don't like Bing for the Google. So
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
I'm watching you on TV right now.
Really?
no way.
How's that
I
going?
like your shirt.
Wait, who?
Hershey's chocolate.
Dude, isn't it amazing?
No, bye.
Bye.
A lot of people that would call in. They
There.
weren't that same person like 3 times.
My feelings. I'm kidding. But okay, so AT&T. What I think happens is the call gets sent through AT&T.
We're talking about calls, block calls going to whose servers.
So AT&T, it goes into AT&T, saves on a file server, and then
Yep.
they block it, and then sends it to a tower.
Yeah, I think it's blocked. I think it's a
It's
registered
blocked.
number
If it's
all the way up
blocked,
to 8.
if it no, not up.
Welcome, Let's Talk Tech.
You didn't hit the. Hello.
Welcome, Let's Talk Tech.
They have a fax. Who still uses or dial-up?
That's Arfax. But that's not. That doesn't explain why. Yeah, it's Arfax.
Why is our fax plugged in?
It's always plugged in, but it's never given us a problem.
Unless someone's using it.
Oh yeah, that would be an issue. Yeah, because then it can't. Yeah, then the cross line. Yeah, that would be an issue.
Okay, so I guess that's the end of our trilogy of calls.
Okay. So yeah, so AT&T phone conversion.
Let's check. Hello, welcome to Talk Tech. Might not work.
Hey, how do you make banana bread?
You make banana bread.
I don't make banana bread. Roy makes banana bread and gives it to me, which I
Okay,
love
you
to
gotta
eat.
get old bananas, like
Yeah,
not
you have to
very
get really
old.
like
if they start turning.
you have to. They have to be
Yeah.
like a brown. They have to be brown, so this way they're
they can't-
mashable.
Yeah, but they can't be green. If they're green, don't eat them.
I don't want it. No, that's not cool.
Why?
Because I don't like old bananas.
Well, you have to have them old. So
New bananas.
well, it's not my problem. Order a VHS tape of bananas in pajamas. I don't care.
It's not even funny.
That is hilarious.
You come up with very corny.
yeah,
but like, if it's corny and funny, okay, I'll laugh, even if it's like a fake laugh. But like, you just stupid. I'm sorry.
Should you know that now that we're? I mean, do you want to finish your AT&T thing before we get another call in the next 5 seconds?
Okay, so basically AT&T, I think it goes through AT&T and gets blocked somewhere in between. Like in AT&T though, in the actual like.
We need to get an AT&T person up here.
Hello.
Well, welcome to Let's Talk Tech. Again.
Hey, do you have a Facebook?
Yeah, we do. Search Let's Talk Tech. I think that'd be obvious.
Our search name, Let's Talk Tech. They ask if we have a Facebook. We tell them yes, and they ask what to search.
We're pointing at the screen, by the way.
Add
There's a monitor over here that
Alan
shows what we're
on
broadcasting.
Facebook. Last name too. Smooth, Eric. By accident. Okay.
AT&T.
Yeah.
Block calls.
I think it blocks it like on a file server somewhere in AT&T, so they still record the calls somehow. They still have the call somewhere transacted. And they can recover the call and see who's calling you, even though it's blocked on your number, on your side. It's AT&T sided, not your side.
Okay. Whatever.
So I think if you really tried hard, you can get a number blocked that's blocked, that's restricted, but...
Cool. Okay. Let's go. Eric, why don't we go to a short commercial? Instead of a long commercial, we'll do a short commercial. And then we'll be back in a sec.
We'll be right back.
Right? That's so gay. That's really gay. Dude, look at those hands.
Please don't say that.
What?
Don't say that something is gay when you mean that something is dumb or stupid. It's insulting. It's like if I thought this pepper shaker was stupid and I said, man, and this pepper shaker is so 16-year-old boy with a cheesy mustache. Just saying. When you say that's so gay, do you realize what you say? Knock it off.
Hey, welcome back to Let's Talk Tech.
Thank you for our lovely caller.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had a short commercial there, and now we're talking about...
The lame topic. What does your desktop say about you?
Don't even... it's the last 5 minutes. We're not going to take any more calls, I think, because that last one was very inappropriate.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait, no. Hello, welcome to Talk Tech. Okay.
Yeah.
Same guy. All right, so I figured it was.
Yeah. So you want to shed light on the subject? You have no idea where I'm going with this. You have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so basically what I'm talking about on your desktop, and I don't really just mean on your desktop. I'm talking about what your computer can say about you, not just your desktop.
No, I got what you're trying to say. So, like, if you have a pink and flowered desktop, you're probably not a 40-year-old man.
Yeah.
Just
not exactly where I'm going with this.
But
close enough.
Okay, and if you have, say, a Hello Kitty app on your desktop, you're probably not a 45-year-old man living with his mom.
I do.
You're not a 45-year-old
No,
man?
I mean,
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
Hey,
Who is that?
I don't know. If you could call back, that'd be great.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech. I didn't mean to hang up on you. I thought it was that other guy, and he's like swearing. So, could you recall, please? Please.
That'd be great.
Hello, welcome to Let's Talk Tech.
hey, it's Mike again.
Oh, sorry.
I hooked my Xbox up,
Okay.
and I was wondering if I could stream porn to it.
That's kind of difficult.
No, it's possible. Jake Sizemore does that all the time.
Yeah.
In order to stream that from there, it'd be quite easy. Hook up Windows Media, through your network onto your computer. You have to download something onto your. All the instructions are on Xbox, but when you go in there, there should be under your My Xbox section.
Ah.
If you go all the way to the end, there should be a Windows Media.
That's how you stream anything, not
Yeah.
what you're talking about. Dirty person. Stay off the porn. I'm just saying. He probably shouldn't be on that. He sounds like a little kid. And if
Okay.
you're not, then
Anyway, you should just go into Windows Media Center on your Xbox, and it should be like all the way at the very end in a certain section.
Yeah.
And then you could click that, and it will stream right to your computer. But in order to do that, make sure you have a somewhat fast running computer, because it kind of lags up on his with a single core.
It lags the computer up, and it lags the Xbox up, and it lags your network speed up. So
yeah, like hell, yeah.
all of the above is pretty bad. If you're trying to do something else, probably not the best thing. But then again, if you're running a very good machine,
Yeah, not a concern. And it's Cat 6 line.
so
Oh,
we have 2 minutes left. So if you want to get on with your topic,
Oh, we have 2 minutes left. Okay, unorganization. You're just
1 minute left. Okay. And
yeah. We'll just wrap this up.
basically, you can visit our website if you want any more information. We're going to be having stuff up. letstalktech.com or letstalktechshow.com, and we're gonna. It's right now.
Well, yeah, right now it says under construction, but you could just go to letstalktech.co.cc for more information.
Yeah, and we'll have that letstalktechshow.com up pretty soon, as soon as I get around to coding it.
Never.
And thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. Adios. Auf Wiedersehen. Tata. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bye.
Dante.